we are going to see the tides. So आप लोग इसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आज के टॉपिक से हैं, दिमाग में आ रहा है ना. व्हाट इज द ना, आई सेड दैट कुछ भी आ सकता है. आप नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन बॉटम टोपोग्राफी, डिस्कस नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन बॉटम टोपोग्राफी एंड प्रेजेंट द सिग्निफिकेंस. आप वहीं पे कोलैप्स होते हैं. आप सोचते हैं कि अच्छा टोपोग्राफी में रीज बता के, अब नाउ वी हैव एन व्हाट डिफरेंशिएटेड स्टडी, अंडरस्टूड. And then South Atlantic Ocean bottom topography. They can ask you the question, I said that discuss the what North Pacific Ocean topography and present their significance. And then आपको पता है islands, corals का भी काम करता है, yes or not? This bottom topography also help in the ocean current formation and all. तो आप several ways में you can be able to see, and islands are becoming the place of what it is in a living. People are living in this settlement is going on, understood. Volcanic island is the one of the soil, black soil it provides. So many things you can be able to write. तो लेकिन आप जाकर सोचोगे, then you can be able to see which are the questions. Discuss the, जैसे आप लोग लिख लें क्वेश्चन, उसके बाद discuss North Atlantic ocean bottom topography with their significance. इसका मतलब सिग्निफिकेंस में आपको, एंड डिस्कस का मतलब होता है एनालाइज एंड इवेलुएट, और इवेलुएट जब करोगे तो केवल पॉजिटिव के बारे में बताओगे, इट्स नॉट एन नेगेटिव काइंड ऑफ इट. सो ऑटोमेटिकली इसीलिए सिग्निफिकेंस जोड़ा गया है. सो दैट डिस्कस का मतलब भी होता है एनालाइज प्लस इवेलुएट, अंडरस्टूड इट. सो इन दैट फॉर्मेट वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट. सिमिलरली इन द नॉर्थ पैसिफिक, सिमिलरली इन द साउथ पैसिफिक, साउथ अटलांटिक एंड इंडियन ओशन, दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन फॉर द others. The question can be there. I said that yes, write a short note on submarine canyon. Write a short note on submarine canyon. Write a short note on submarine canyon. Next is write a short note on oceanic trench, जो कि एक ओशियन कॉन्टिनेंटल एंड ओशियानिक कन्वर्जेंस. राइट ए शॉर्ट नोट ऑन मिड ओशियानिक रीज. So when you are saying that, they can ask the write a short note on continental shelf, continental slope, continental rise, abyssal plain. They can ask like this also. So different kind of question can come from this area, the today that we have done, understood. And when we are knowing the topography is very easily and remembering the topography and conceptual clarity is there, then you can be able to write in better manner. Question can be there, what is an active continental margin and what are the different ocean botography is associated with. Question can be like this, discuss active continental margin, write down, discuss active continental margin and present related associated topography. What could be the next question? Yes? Passive continental margin and what are the landforms or topography associated with it? क्योंकि ये देखने में अब बहुत आसान लग रहा होगा आपको, because you have a what flooded with contents. Write down the question. Discuss types of tide on the basis of phases of moon next. Discuss types of tides on the basis of orientation or geometrical position of sun, moon and earth. Sun, moon and earth. Discuss कौन सा बोला मैंने, कौन सा टाइप, हाँ लिखेंगे अगला. डिस्कस द टाइप्स ऑफ टाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ड्यूरेशन You know that in actual practice, if we'll see, this is the earth and here we have a moon, earth, moon and this is our sun, जिसको हम लोग imagine ही नहीं कर सकते. My question is first, who puts more gravitational force on the water on the earth, sun or moon? And if it is putting anyone, tell me how many times with respect to the other. Yes, moon. How many times? 2.4 to 2.5. How much? Okay. So the moon is how much it is? I said that how much gravitational force it is applying, because it is nearest to the sun, and you know that F equals to G m1 m2 upon r square में I said that यदि आप डिस्टेंस 1 लाख है तो 1 लाख का स्क्वायर किलोमीटर तो 1 ही होगा. एंड इफ द डिस्टेंस इज इफ आई सेड दैट इसका कितना है, हाउ मच इट इज 1498 लाख, एंड इसको स्क्वायर करोगे तो बहुत बड़ा निकलेगा फिगर. यस सर ना. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट मास इज वेरी हाई आल्सो, लेकिन फाइनली इट हैज बीन फाउंड दैट ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अप्लाइड बाय, because of this it has been what, moon is more influencing the water, and that is I said that gravitational force applied by the moon and the sun is 12 upon 5. How much? It is in the ratio of 12 upon 5. It means 2.4. How much it is? Hello? Got it? And there is one force is there. I said that it is an interplay between centrifugal force and gravitational force. It is an what? Interplay between, and it is an also this interplay between I said centrifugal and gravitational force. Interplay between centrifugal and gravitational force. What is the tide if I am talking about? Suppose it is in a container. Suppose it is in a container. In the container, I said that the gravitational force applied by the moon and the sun, and moon and sun यहाँ पे middle में force नहीं लगा सकता, पानी को उठा नहीं सकता, but it can what give an what shake it to, पानी को हिला सकता है. And when it is that is considered an attractive force. That is considered an what? Which force? Attractive force. And thereafter, water हिलने के बाद क्या करता है? It is visible in the form of, suppose this is a normal level of water. Then एक तरफ water जाएगा. Yes, this is a kind of what is an water is going up, and this is known as an high water tide. तो दूसरी तरफ पानी क्या हो जाएगा? Low water tide. So one reason is what is going, then the other parts of the world must have what? पानी नीचे ही जाएगा. In the whole world, if somewhere water is rising up, so those water rising up, it will be somewhere it is managed, and thereafter, again thereafter ये पानी धीरे धीरे क्या होता है? पानी हिलता है तो it goes like this, come up and come down. So thereafter this water will come here, and again it will come to the low water tide. Clear? Clear? So what is the meaning of tide? एक मिनट समझेंगे भी. Tide means upward movement. Tide means upward movement. First I said that what is the meaning of tide? Upward movement. And EBB means downward movement. Ebb. So when the water is going up, it is known as tide, and the water is coming down, this is known as EBB. EBB. Clear? And another point that we have to understand, intertidal zone, or better to say littoral zone. Which one I said that? Intertidal zone, or what I said that? Littoral zone. So it is a landmark region between high water tide and low water tide is known as intertidal zone or littoral zone. Getting my point? और इसके नीचे वाले पानी को क्या बोला जाता है? Sublittoral. So I said that this is the zone. First I said that on the basis of duration, tides are, first it is I said high tide. Which tide I said? So gravitational force applied by the sun and moon, and then water level started rising. High tide means I said that highest point along the shore achieved. Okay, highest point along the shore achieved. लेकिन वहाँ पे पानी ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं रहेगा. Water will come down, and soon it moves downward. Soon it moves downward. That is clear. Second, it is, I said, that flood tide. Clear? Flood tide. And when the highest water tide means highest point has been achieved along the shore, but duration of covering this intertidal zone, पानी जब यहाँ जाएगा, this zone has been covered. The duration of covering this intertidal zone is very long. It is known as flood tide. So write down. During the high water tide, flood tide. During the high water tide, when intertidal zone has been covered by water,